Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our IPSY versus IPSY for March 2019. First, let me apologize. I am a little sick. I'm coming to the end of it, I hope. I got my coffee. I got my Kleenex. I'm on like day 7 of this, but I am feeling a lot better, so I thought I'd go ahead and film this video today, but I do want to apologize that I sound a little bit nasally today. So if you're new to my channel, IPSY versus IPSY is basically where I have my normal bag, which has my normal beauty profile, has my right age, my right hair color, my right eye color, comfortable with makeup, interested in more neutral makeup, that kind of thing. And then the other profile is different hair color, different eye color, more adventurous makeup, that kind of thing. And I just like to compare them to see if the beauty profiles really matter. Let me tell you a little bit about IPSY. It is $10 a month, and then you get 4 to 5 sample size, sometimes full size products catered to those beauty profiles, and then you can also earn points for reviewing the products and get additional free products in your bag. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the values of everything in the bags. Okay, let's just get right into it. First, we're going to start with my normal bag, which is this one right here. So when you open it up, here's the bag right here. And it says, and off she went to change the world. So that's cute. It's like a rose gold sort of color. Let's see if the card's in here. Okay. Okay, so it says on here, IPSY right there in that little red box at the top. And so it says it's National Women's History Month. And it says, to celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. So that's kind of cool. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out right on top is a little brush. Okay, so here's the brush. It's got like little pink glitter in the handle, and it's just like a little tiny brush. And this is from SLMISSGLAM. I love getting brushes in my bags, and I will definitely be using that. So excited about that. Oh, I just noticed it also has like 2 little rhinestones there, right on the little metal part there. Someone's thirsty. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from IPSY Beauty, and this is, looks like a single shade from their poolside palette, which I do have. I can't remember if I got it in a Yes Oh Yes or something like that. I can go ahead and see what this shade is. Okay, so this is the shade Get Soaked. And it is just a little pink color right there. It's like a mauve sort of color, like a pinky nude, I would say. I'm not going to swatch this since I already do have the palette. But this is a cruelty-free brand, and I actually really like their eyeshadows a lot. I think that they're really good quality, especially for the price. I think their palettes are like $15, so they're pretty affordable in my opinion, and I like them a lot. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Skyn, Iceland. I can't remember if this is cruelty-free or not. But this is a limited edition berry lip fix with winter red algae. So it's like a lip balm, it looks like. I'm not sure if it's tinted or not. Okay, so it's not tinted. It's just like a... Let's see if I can get it to... It's just white. I don't think you're going to be able to see that right there, but it does... Smells nice. It smells a little like a berry, like it says, so... If this is cruelty free, I definitely use it. I love lip balm. I wear it like every day, so not mad about that. Okay, let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from Estate, and I'm pretty sure they are cruelty free. I've gotten a blush from them before. This is the Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. There's that. So there's the color of it. It's like a white with a little bit of a like pink tinge maybe. The color is called Pearl. I'll go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so it's definitely white. There it is on my finger. Let's see how it looks on the skin. Okay, so you can see it up there. It's definitely highlighty. It's not like super dramatic, which is kind of like the highlighter I prefer personally. I don't like a super blinding highlight, so I definitely will play around with this. Not mad about that. And this is a mascara from Tarte. This is the Man Eater mascara. I've never tried this one. I've tried their, what is it, Lights Camera Lashes that I like a lot. So, ooh, this is an interesting wand on here. So it's got like little pokies on it. It's not like bristles, it's like the little spiky things. So definitely interested in playing with this. I love Tarte, as we all know, so yeah, this is cruelty free as well. So overall, my first bag, I think it fits the profile pretty well. I got a black mascara, a pretty basic highlighter, a real neutral eye color, a brush, which I love, whoops, and then a lip balm. So I think that fits the profile pretty well. Let's go ahead and get into the next bag. Okay, so again, we have the same bag. Okay, so the first thing that just popped out, this is from Ahava, which is cruelty free. This is the Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. I have tried like their hand lotion, and I have like a face mask from them that I really like a lot. I don't do a lot of mud masks just because they're really drying on the skin, and I have dry skin, so they're just not something that I do a lot of, so I probably will just go ahead and throw this into a giveaway. Okay, so I'm seeing our first duplicate. So this is the same highlighter from Estate in the same color, I believe. So I will just go ahead and throw this into a giveaway. Like I said in my last video, my giveaway box is getting pretty full, so I will be doing a giveaway very, very soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Okay. So this next thing is from Morphe. This is a bronzer. And mine is in the shade Debutante. I've never tried anything other than eyeshadow from Morphe. Oh, I do have a blush from them that I like. So this is actually a pretty decent sample size. There it is right there. I can go ahead and give that a swatch for you. So there it is. It's a little bit yellowish, I will say. But I definitely will try to see how it works out. It feels very soft. It doesn't feel like bad. I don't know how to describe bronzer, but it feels pretty good. So yeah, excited to try that out. Morphe is cruelty free. Okay, so this is from Space Case Cosmetics, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty free. I've gotten them before. Yep, it's got a little bunny on it. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow in the shade Alien Lovechild. That's an interesting name. Let's see what you look like. Okay, so there is, it kind of just looks purple on camera, but it's like really iridescent. Let me see if I can show you on my finger. So it goes from like purple to like white. I think it's iridescent is the word I'm looking for. I'm not huge into purple personally, but I kind of like how this looks. So I definitely might have to play around with that. I don't know if you can see, it's very shimmery. Yeah, so that's cool. One more thing. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this is from Ciate, London. This is a lip luster in the shade Wildfire. Okay, so there it is. I'm not sure if I showed it on camera, but it's like filled with glitter, which is not typically my thing. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to swatch this just because I don't want to waste it. I'd rather just throw it into a giveaway since I know I'm not going to wear this. Glitter on my lips is just not my thing. I'm finally starting to accept like lip glosses and things again, but glitter just not on my lips. Don't like how it feels. Not really a huge fan of how it looks. So, but yeah. So overall, I think this bag fits the profile as well. I got a really cool like eyeshadow that's kind of different and bold. The lip thing's really bold. The highlighters, you know, not super bold. Bronzer obviously isn't very bold, nor is the face mask, but I think the two things, these two things were definitely very, very fitting of the profile. So yeah, I think everything was cruelty free minus the Skyn thing, the Skyn Iceland thing that I have to research. So that's always good. I love it when I get things that I can use or things that I could potentially use. Sorry again for being sick. I know I sound probably awful, but I swear I feel so much better than I did just even 2 days ago. Yeah, let me know what you guys thought. Did you guys, hold on, someone's looking for a toy. Find the perfect one? No? You wanna come say hi? Say hi. You speak? Oh, yes. Yes, I know how to speak. But yeah, I'm curious to know what you thought of the bags. If you got anything the same in your bag, if there's anything cool that you got in your bag, let me know down below. And as always, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps out a ton. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, hopefully when I'm feeling 100%, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.